WordPress sites are some of the most common targets on the internet. That's why you need effective protection. With our Protect from Hackers plugin, you can make your WordPress site a lot harder to mess with, without being a developer. After you install it, open Protect from Hackers in your dashboard. You'll see a row of checkboxes. Each one turns a protection on or off for your whole site. I'll go straight down the list and explain what each one does. First, security headers. Think of this as basic safety instructions for your visitor's browser. It helps stop other sites from putting your page inside theirs without permission and avoids silly browser mistakes. Next, Content Security Policy, CSP. This is a Be Extra Careful mode. It tells the browser to load things like scripts, images, fonts only from places you trust. Now, disable XML RPC. XML RPC is an old remote feature almost nobody needs today, but attackers still try it. Moving on, block user enumeration. This stops people from guessing your usernames with special links. Less info for strangers equals more safety. After that, hide WP version. This hides your exact WordPress version, so you're not giving away hints about known bugs. Next, login rate limit. This slows down password guessing. After several wrong tries from the same place, there's a short pause before more tries. Then, REST hardening. This makes WordPress share less information with strangers by default. Your site looks the same to visitors, just less talkative to outsiders. Finally, disable file editor. This turns off the code editors inside the dashboard. That way, nobody can quickly drop bad code there. For most sites, the default settings are already great. You usually don't need to change anything. Maybe just test CSP as described. When you're done, click Save Changes. If something looks odd afterwards, it's usually CSP. Turn just that one off and keep the rest on. To get the plugin, go to premiumplugin.com, type Protect from Hackers in the search, click the result and download it for free. Install it, tick the boxes you want, click Save, and you're done. Your site is already harder to hack.